Linking your bank account to TikTok Shop is essential for managing transactions and receiving payments. Follow these steps to set up your bank account successfully. Step 1. Open a TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device and log into your account. Make sure you have the latest version of the app for the best experience. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can manage your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines or the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings menu. Look for the business or TikTok Shop option to proceed. Step 4. Select payment settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRIP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Enter bank account details. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Ensure all details are accurate, then save your changes. You may need to verify your account through a confirmation email or code. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to TikTok Shop. This will enable you to manage your sales and receive payments seamlessly.